I always laugh when people ask me where do I live, and I say I live in the desert, and then they ask me what do you do, and I'm like, I'm a farmer. And they ask me how can you do agriculture in the desert, and I invite them to come to the Arava to see how we make the impossible possible. This community is a farming and agricultural community, is in charge of over 60% of Israel's fresh vegetable export. We are really the spearhead of Israel's agriculture. We are meeting challenges every day, same challenges that the first pioneers encountered, the lack of water, the lack of soil, the fact that we are living within the desert with extreme climate, the lack of natural resources here in the area. But still, I think every day this community proves that if you put your heart and soul into something, then you can do it. I believe that education is the most powerful tool we have in order to attract new families to this area.
This is a Shittim primary school that receives 380 students. It goes without saying that this school is the only school in the entire region.
The kids are all going to the same school. About a third of the Arava residents are kids. Because they go to the same school, we have a variety of children, from children with special needs to prodigies and excellent students. And our challenge is how to give them all the same services in the same classroom and in the same school.
This place, the ecological garden, it's a very central place in school life. All the students come here and they experience a very different kind of learning.
The ecological garden here is one of the most important things in our school. Actually brings the education into another stage.
It allows the children to have an extra school activity and also to have a special place within the school where they can do practical work.
What I like about the ecological garden is the environment in it, helping around. When I'm here, I feel free in a way compared to other lessons. Doing things by hand, not just writing or listening, working and doing something.
They learn about the agriculture work, they learn about ecological processing, they learn about nature, science.
It's an alternative way of learning, and the kids can really connect to the values that symbolizes us as a community.
The children can learn what the parents does, like what the parents do all the time, where they go to work. They can help them after it. They don't have books, they don't have papers, they don't have computer. They experience everything through all the senses.
Ecology, nature, preserving the nature, agriculture, working together as a community. This is something this community was built on, and all those values are really embedded within the work of the ecological garden.
Due to the increased population in the Central Arava, the Arava Children's Environmental Centre is no longer suitable or adequate for the number of children or for the scope of activities. The centre is in desperate need of funds to build more activity areas and update the facility. With your support, the children and teachers of the Arava will have the facility they need to teach and learn agricultural skills and environmental awareness so vital to the future of the area.
As a research farm, it's very important to us to be a part of the community that we live in. We work in several levels. We help them in their school with anything that we can do, if it's supplying the seeds or the knowledge, experiments. Some of the research works that they have to do in the high school, they do it here.
The science mission is first and foremost keeping of the border, and the Arava is one of the most peripheral area, and living here is actually maintaining our right on Israel.
I think that's because of the determination of the community and their mission to really settle the Negev and keep on David Ben-Gurion's dream alive. It is a shared project that celebrates the values of this community. I think there isn't any project in the Arava that JNF is not involved and supporting. JNF is our longtime partners to build this community and to keep on building and bringing new families to the Negev and the Arava.